Hi, I'm Yuno. Before I had constructed these two plug spinners and submitted it in Lockpicking 101. This is a very effective tools for plug spinning. Okay, these are effective tools for plug spinning. However, these two plug spinners, I think it's not too easy to construct. Even though they are very effective, it's not a common tools which could be easily made by my fellow locksmiths or any lockpickers for their benefits. So I was thinking how to make it simple, and I come to the solution with this simple two little attachment. This is composed of the new plug spinner which I have made. Now this is just look like a tension wrench, a Z tension wrench, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. So I had constructed this, and with this spring which came from a damaged mortise locks. This is commonly found on most mortise locks. So whenever you have a defective lock, mortise locks which is beyond repair, make use of this spring. Keep this spring for its good use. Okay, so these are the two attachments for a plug spinner, the simplest I could ever make. I could hold it with a simple square bar, with a long nose plier, or a hand tap holder. So I will demonstrate now how effective these simple tools which I made. So here we go. The first thing I will use is a long nose with a spring attachment on it. And by the way, the tension tools, I already installed it in each of these mortise lock cylinders, and as you can see, I already positioned the plug into a jump overhaul in which to spin. So I arrange these 8 cylinders into alternate rotation. As you can see, I will rotate this cylinder plug counterclockwise, this one clockwise, this one counter, and so on and so forth. So we will see the result of what I claim as my plug spinner 100% performance. Alright. Okay, we will try the sergeant first. Okay, so I will wound up the spring and then release. As you can see, it turns the plug. Now, second, this is a counterclockwise. I could rearrange this into a counterclockwise position also by just inverting the position of the spring. See? And then apply. As you can see, it successfully turned the plug clockwise. And again, here we have another interchangeable sergeant. So I will invert again the position of the spring on the long nose and position it here. Always remember that this coil of the spring should be within the core, within the radius of this mortise lock cylinder, so that when it turns, it looks like there is a circular arc, in which this is very important here. Remember, this is the arc of the spring in which it will hit the tension and it will make an arcing move. Not just when this is straight, it might this tension wire might be get away in the process, and you don't have a successful plug spin. Alright, so here we go again for the third. You see, it turns again successfully. Now this is a clockwise plug spinning, so I will invert the spring again and the holder, and here we go. That is as easy as it is. Okay, I position it again. Okay, see, it turns again. Now this is counterclockwise movement. As you can see, I can use the other tools, this one. Alright. Oh, this is a clockwise move. So I will again invert this. You see how easy it was, saving you some money and so easy to construct. There is no any special tools needed, only a spring and a tension. Okay, turns again successfully. And so this is a sergeant interchangeable core. Now I can use this because this is been arranged for a clockwise spin. Alright, so let's spin this with these tools. See, it is as easy as this. Just roll it, position, and there it goes. Okay, so here, and about this one is also, you see, whatever tools that can hold the square core of this spring, you can use it. So that is so simple. Alright, now here we go. Uy. Oh, sorry, this one I had prematurely releases it. Sorry. Okay, now this is the other one. Now again, as you can see, look at this. See, it's very easy one. So that's how it is useful. It's very useful and very effective, and it's free. If you have a damaged lock, a mortise lock cylinder, keep the spring and just make a simple tension wire to put it into the core to spin. Okay, so I hope this will give you a good information and will help you a lot, saving you money, you know, and the tools is very effective. Thanks and regards to all.